All right, now that we have a full deep dive of the menu system covered, we're just going to go over very quickly how to scan frequencies, because that is the trickiest part of this system if you've never used this particular RF system before. So we are going to start at the receiver, hit the center button. This brings you to your dual channel view screen. When you hit the center button, you are taken to your menu system, and this number in the corner here indicates which receiver you are controlling. So if you use this button over here to move over to channel 2, then you hit the center button, you see that you are operating in menu system for receiver 2. When you are in the dual channel view screen, you are defaulted into menu 1. So what you want to do first is come over to scan. This allows you to get a full picture of the RF spectrum that you're working with. We are going to scan the radio environment. You see there's a couple of humps here. Some of these are our transmitters, others are other wireless operating in this realm. You have your buttons at the top of the screen. The double arrows mean scan in that direction. The single arrows mean jump a particular, like one step in any particular direction. So this button over here will jump our line to find some clean spectrum. So we are going to go with 2206 because that seems pretty clean, and then we're going to hit set, and that's going to set receiver 1 to 2206. And then on our transmitter, when you do this also, you want to make sure that your transmitters are off. Mine are on, so I kind of shot myself in the foot a little bit there. You want to make sure your transmitters are off. Again, this is pretty basic for conditioned sound mixers out there. I'm just saying it here to cover all of the bases for everyone who might be seeing this video. And since we have done that, we can set our clean frequency that we just scanned, 2206 or 05. I think that's 5. So we're going to turn on our first transmitter, and then we're going to hit the center button to get to our menu. We're going to go over to frequency, hit select, and then TV channel 22, sub channel 05. Come over and then out. And then we should see this LED turn green. And yes, it did. So now we're going to come back in here. We're going to arrow over to a menu system for channel 2. We're going to hit into our menu. We're going to come over to scan. We're going to go into our scan range. There's our first transmitter. And most of the spectrum outside of this is clean. I'm just going to come in here a little bit because the RF spectrum around here seems to be changing. So we're going to bump over into this little lower spot right there. And we are going to hit set. We are in 2302. We're going to turn on our second transmitter, leaving our first one on. And we're going to go into our menu, frequency 2302 is what we had. 2302. We're going to come back out, and then we should see everything turn green. And there we go. We are all set and scanned for clean frequencies on our audio limited A10 system. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you find some clean frequencies.